All right, everyone, welcome to another episode of the AI podcast. I'm your host, Hassan, and this is
And I'm
your
always
co-host. Today, we are going to be testing out the new memory feature of ChatGPT real quick, and we're going to show you how it works. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a bunch of characters for a story, and we're going to see how it retains the personality traits of those characters. Let's start with the first character, Tom. Prompt, why don't you prompt it like, I'm writing a story and I have a character named Tom, and I need you to give him a diverse set of personality.
okay. So we're not going into very much detail. We're keeping a bit simple. So I'm not specifying what kind of personality and stuff. Just let ChatGPT do that because we're here to discuss the memory feature.
Yeah. ChatGPT generates a prompt, and now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna ask ChatGPT to keep this to memory. So, and then you'll see a
Yeah.
small little ding of memory save. Why didn't you write it down?
Like as you can see, there's a background. This is the whole personality of Tom. So save this in memory. Memory
Yeah, you see
updated.
that little thing? Memory updated.
So basically what
Yeah, nice.
ChatGPT did over here is that it took this whole set of data with the name Tom and saved in the memory so that if you want to reuse it elsewhere in another chat, you can do that and we will show it to you guys shortly.
And now we're gonna do it for another character.
Sarah.
Abig. Yeah, sorry. And this time also mention make it a distinct personality
Okay.
compared to Tom's.
Okay, so ChatGPT generated the whole personality of Sarah as well, as you can see. Same
And now
thing.
we asked.
Save this to memory. Ding. It's
Now we're
currently
gonna
saved.
Now, instead of a character, what we're going to do is we're going to ask it for a setting for our story for these two characters. Ask it to create a setting
Create me
for
a
my two
setting
characters.
for the story of these two characters.
And same thing, we ask it to save it to memory.
So what we did so far is that we created two characters, saved it to memory on ChatGPT, and then we made the setting of the story. And then we asked ChatGPT to save that to memory as well, which it is currently doing. So after it's done, we're going to go into a new chat and we're going to show it to you how you can use this. So like if you ask them a question or ask it to make something new, it will use all these memories and create something for you. Okay, so this is done. Let's go into a new chat.
Ask ChatGPT Tom's last name.
See that? That's the whole
Yeah.
memory thing.
Where's Tom from?
Tom
Richardson is from
Richardson
Portland.
Let's confirm this. Portland,
Yeah,
Oregon.
Portland.
There we go.
Now, if you go back to the chat, there was a ping down there that memory is full. So technically, when you're on the free version, you have limited memory space. You have to delete all memory stuff and fill it with new.
Yeah. So as you can see over here, ChatGPT's memory is full.
Name 5 of Tom's top personality traits.
Well, let's confirm this. I don't know which was the fifth one, but basically you get the point.
Empathetic.
Basically, you get the point. It has this stored in the memory, so you can use this for more complicated stuff. So let's give it a more detailed, complicated prompt now, so that it uses all 3 of the memories to make something for us.
We can say that now write me a short script for these two characters in their setting, in the chosen setting, and while staying true to their personalities and background. So now that ChatGPT generated the prompt for the short story for us, what we're going to do is that give a quick read through this, and then we're going to see if it relates to all the personality traits in the setting of the previous story.
If you guys want to read it, you guys can just pause through.
So what we're gonna notice here, first thing when Tom is introduced, he's introduced as a photographer. So we're gonna go back to the memory and see if there was any part of Tom that made him a photographer. So yeah, right there, freelance photographer and travel blogger. So right, we got that part right.
And the story is about traveling as well. So he's traveling and he's a photographer.
So there's also a sense of adventurous in the story as well, where he says he doesn't live a very nomadic way, so he needs to move every time. Now we get introduced to Sarah Bennett, who comes and she's into books, right? And she loves her coffee. So let's go see. Yeah, she was there. She also invited Tom to do some community work. So community oriented. There's that habits and traits. So we right here reading.
There you go.
Yeah, I think the story is also set in Riverton, Colorado.
Yeah, Riverton. So basically, we asked it to make a story, right? And it kept all the memories, all the 3 memories that we put in ChatGPT, right? About Tom, Sarah, and the setting, and basically memorized all of that. And it created as a short story, included that, and it kept in mind the personality traits, their hobbies, and everything, and it made something out of that.
And this was all in a new chat, not even from an old chat.
Yeah, this is all in new chat.
So like the So you could train ChatGPT on data sets, like of what you
Mm.
use or any related to your work. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, like this is extremely useful for like people that like write blogs or coders and stuff like that, right? They can just
Yeah.
have like data already in there. All they have to do is just
Mm.
use the memory to generate more. So that's the ChatGPT memory feature. Use this to your benefit. If you didn't know about it, let us know down in the comments what you guys think about this whole feature. This was a podcast. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel. We will see you guys next time.
Signing out.
Bye bye.